Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. Do you want to know how much battery time you have left on your phone? Don't worry guys, this video will tell you how to check how long your battery will last on your Android phone. Let's get started. Open your settings app on your phone, and then you have to scroll your screen until you find battery and device care. It's right here. And then you have to click on the battery option right here, and this is the estimation guys. You have 1 hour and 54 minutes left before your battery power is running out. Alright guys, that's how we can check how long our battery will last on Android phone. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video. Don't forget to like, leave your comment, and also subscribe this channel. Bye!